Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenSea to MetaMask for collection setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect OpenSea to MetaMask for collection setup, open your web browser. Navigate to the OpenSea website. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, download the MetaMask browser extension. Follow the installation prompts to set up your MetaMask wallet. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make sure to save your seed phrase securely. Open MetaMask and log in to your wallet. Click on the account icon in the top right corner of the MetaMask extension. Ensure you are on the Ethereum main network for compatibility with OpenSea. Return to the OpenSea website. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Profile from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear asking you to connect a wallet. Choose the MetaMask option from the list of wallets. MetaMask will open automatically, requesting your confirmation to connect. Review the details and click Next in the MetaMask notification. Press Connect to finalize the connection between OpenSea and your MetaMask wallet. You should now see your Ethereum address displayed on the OpenSea profile page. This confirms that your MetaMask wallet is successfully connected to OpenSea. Now, you're ready to set up your collection on OpenSea. Begin by clicking on the Create button in the top menu. Fill in the required information for your collection, such as name and description. Upload images or files that represent your collection. Customize additional settings, including royalties and blockchain preferences. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Create. Your collection will be created and linked to your MetaMask wallet. You can now start minting NFTs to your new collection on OpenSea. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.